Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cake and icing. First, ensure your oven is preheated to the specified temperature, usually around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, accurately measure all your ingredients. This precision is key for the perfect texture and flavor. Combine dry ingredients in one bowl and wet ingredients in another before mixing them together. This method helps prevent overmixing. Once your ingredients are ready, gently fold the wet into the dry mixture until just combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough cake, so be careful. Pour the batter evenly into your prepared cake pans, filling each about 2/3 full. Bake according to your recipe's instructions, typically for 25 to 30 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out clean when it's done. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding these baking tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, imagine listening to your favorite baking playlist or setting timers hands-free with the Echo Dot smart speaker while you bake. It's a fantastic kitchen companion. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now let's move on to the icing. For a smooth buttercream, start with softened butter not melted. Sift your powdered sugar to eliminate any lumps, ensuring a silky texture. Gradually beat the butter, powdered sugar, a splash of milk or cream, and vanilla extract together. Continue mixing until the icing is light, fluffy, and easily spreadable. This creates a delightful topping for your cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.